Yes, ma'am.
And this is cause number 26, DCCR 0294. Mr. Gray was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to driving while intoxicated, third or more. I've received the precedence report. Have you both had an opportunity to review that report?
We have not.
Yes, Judge.
Any additions or corrections?
None of them.
Not from the state.
All right, I guess y'all have all taken a look at what the recommendation is because of the positive alcohol screen.
Yes.
So, Mr. Gray, it gives me a lot of concern that you showed up to probation and tested positive for alcohol when you are here on a driving while intoxicated third. So what that means is if I'm going to follow this agreement, then you're going to go in and get some serious treatment. And that's the only way I'm going to follow this agreement. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So this morning, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, find you guilty of driving while intoxicated third or more. I will sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 10 years in prison, but probate that. Actually, I'm going to place you, the length of time, I know you guys talked about 5 years, but based on what I'm seeing here, I'm not going to follow that. I am going to order that you're on probation for 8 years. I'm going to order a $1,000 fine. You will be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. One of those is you have to serve 10 days upfront time as a condition of probation. But more importantly, and in addition to that, I am going to order that you enter and successfully complete the substance abuse track of the ISF program. That's an inpatient program. You'll go in today, and then when you are out and released, you'll go through the JCDI program as your aftercare. And if you do everything you're supposed to and follow through with the treatment, then for all practical purposes, your case here in court will be over and you'll be able to serve the rest of your 10-year sentence while you're out on probation. But the other side of that is if you violate any condition of probation, you'll be back in court and you'll be facing that 10-year sentence that you agreed to. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows that this was an agreement that I followed. So you have waived your right to appeal. Also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. If you have any questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Parker. All right, sir, you can go back with the bailiff. Good morning, you're Nathan Hester.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Hester, did you get someone hired?
Yes, right.
You got him hired?
Yes, ma'am.
Is he supposed to, did y'all get anything from Mr. Kimler on Nathan Hester? Okay. See, did he say he'd be here this morning?
I'm sending messages and everything. He hadn't called me back.
But you've actually paid him money.
No, not yet. I've talked to him and he said that he'd represent me.
Okay, you have to hire him. Just saying nobody's gonna represent you unless you pay him money.
For me.
I'm sorry.
Somebody else is paying for it for me.
Have they done that yet?
That's not.
You guess not.
No, because
That's something that you would find out and be aware of. Who's
I'll
paying?
talk to them.
I'm sorry?
They haven't called me back or nothing.
Who?
The person who's paying for it is not even
Who's paying for it?
Crystal, friend of mine, Crystal.
Okay.
So I'm in trouble because of her. All this is because of her. But no.
Well, I appreciate that if she's gonna do that, but ultimately it's your responsibility,
Yeah.
right? You've been coming here for months now. I'm resetting your case 2 weeks.
Okay.
You need to make sure that Mr. Kimler's hired. I don't care if anybody else, that's between you and somebody else. You need to make sure it's done within 2 weeks. All right, step in front of the clerk.
You go park.
Good morning, you're Tanya Lee. And Miss Lee, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 1028. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of theft of property. And that's for March 28th of 2026. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, Ms. Lee, is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. Since you've made bond, I expect you to at least try to hire someone. So if you get someone hired before that next court date, just bring the reset.
Is that 30 days? Okay.
Right. So about 30 days from today, you need to try to get someone hired before that next court date. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss what your options are. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would have to go back to jail. Do you understand? Do you understand? Answer out loud, please. Yes or no? Okay. All right. Step in front of the clerk and she'll give you your reset notice.
Thank you, daughter.
Good morning. Are you Jonte Harmon?
Yes,
And Ms. Harmon, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
ma'am.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to, it's called Fairbank. I think that's what it's called. They said they called me back. And who was? I talked to a different lawyer. They also said they called back.
Did you write it down like I told you? So I told you to bring me that information when you come back, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you bring it?
In the car.
In the car where? Here?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You have 5 minutes. Go get it and come right back. Do not leave. Go get it and come right back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning. Are you Jacqueline Calloway?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Calloway, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 0898. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity, and that's from March 1st of 2026.
Yes, ma'am.
Since you made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am.
So what I'm going to do, since you've made bond, I expect you to try to hire someone. So I'm going to reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to do that. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're unable to hire someone, I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, have different payment plans. Bring me those names of who you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order and you go back to jail.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
understand? All right, step in front of the clerk and she'll give you a reset notice. Good morning. You're Kenderick Simeon.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Simeon, did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Mark D. Lambert, Brittany A. Holmes, and Williams Kelly.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. They were charging for the 2 Mark D. Lambert 10,000, and then for Brittany, she was about the lowest that I could find for like 5,500.
And where are you? You're working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So where are you on being able to maybe get someone hired?
I'm not able to pay what they're asking right now.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Where you work?
Jack in the Box, and I do like live side contracts for landscaping.
Okay. So what's the shirt you're wearing? That's not a work shirt.
Yes, ma'am. This is a work shirt.
For what job?
No, this is what I use for landscaping. I have to finish. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Simeon, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Thank you for doing what I asked you to do. Make sure you fill out that paperwork accurately and completely. Include any income you have, any bills you have, and then I'll take a look at
Yes,
it.
ma'am. Also, with the 30 days, can I get it to a date after I see my doctor?
Just let's do this first, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.